Do you have an iPhone or iPad device and wondering how to convert pictures or photo images into a PDF document file for free? If you have an iPhone or iPad device, you are in luck. You can do this simply by using your camera app and a little known, but powerful, and free iPhone app called PDF Document Scanner for iOS. The download link from the Apple App Store is in the description below.
Now let's get started. To begin, download the free scanning app named PDF Document Scanner. The app icon looks like this. You can find it in the iOS App Store by looking for Document Scanner or PDF Scanner, or just use the link in the description below this video. Again, the app is 100% free, including unlimited number of scans, unlimited text recognition from photos, and much more cool features. Launch the app by tapping on its icon. Choose if you want to get notifications. I will select Allow. Tap Close here at the top right corner. Read the Terms and Privacy Policy and then tap on the blue button. To scan a document, tap the camera button at the bottom. Select how you want to scan documents, with camera or import them from your photos. I will select Camera. The scanning app will use the camera to take photos of your documents. Therefore, it needs to access the camera. Tap on OK. Position your device over the document so you can see all four corners of the document on your screen. When you have it nicely positioned, tap the camera button at the bottom. Adjust the corners of the frame that appear over your document to ensure that all of the text and whole document page are within the frame. When you're done, tap the button Next at the bottom right corner. Just as a side note, if you need to scan multiple pages at once, you need to use the scanning mode Batch Docs. I will show this batch scanning in another video. But in this video, for simplicity, we will use an example of creating one-page document, the single doc mode. To improve your scanning quality on the next page, you can choose between different color filters, including black and white, grayscale, magic color, etc. After finding the best color filter for your scanned document, tap on the button Save. Okay, now you're done scanning your first paper document. Next, you have the option to edit the PDF and add some cool features like sign the digital PDF with a handwritten signature, protect the PDF document using a password, or add a watermark. On this page, you have additionally the option to extract the text from the scanned documents, also known as OCR. Or you can directly export the PDF document as email, upload to the cloud, or attach to any of the popular messengers like WhatsApp, Viber, Telegram, etc. To export and share the PDF, tap the export icon at the bottom of the screen. Then select how you want to export the document. You have the option between email, popular cloud services, or even export the PDF to a specific app like WhatsApp, Apple Notes, etc. by using the button Open In. Let's use the example email. Add the recipients and you're done. That's all it takes to scan documents and turn them into PDFs with the free PDF Document Scanner app on iOS. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel for more cool tips and tricks.
That's how you take photos or images with your iPhone camera, or import pictures from your Photos app on your iPhone or iPad, and convert them into a PDF document. I hope you enjoyed this content, and I hope it was easy to follow. If you found it valuable, please do subscribe to the channel, and tap on the notifications bell. This will help us out for making future content. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.